Online shoppers, I have an American Standard elongated slow close toilet seat to put on my very in need of a seat toilet. Now this one here is specifically designed for the elongated bowls. It has a couple really cool features. For one, it has awesome mounting hardware that actually allows you to snap open this little cover right here, and here's the bracket. What happens is once this is attached to the toilet, the bracket actually slips off. So when you have this closed, the lid of the cover keeps the toilet seat attached to the toilet. But when you undo this lid like this, you can actually slide the toilet seat right off these brackets that are attached to the toilet, making it a lot easier to clean. That's why this is an awesome toilet seat to purchase. So what I'm going to do is show you how to install it and convince you that this is the one you want to put in your shopping basket. It comes with a couple different pieces. So obviously we have our slow close toilet, and the mounting hardware is this screw, rubberized sleeve, and the mounting hardware here that has a rubber gasket right here, and then a small little washer that goes in here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these screws and rubber sleeves and I'm going to get them right in here. Now it's a tight fit, so you're going to have to wiggle, squeeze, push. Getting these in is a little bit tricky, so a little bit of water on the end is going to help it slip in better. There we go. You're not supposed to push the rubber gasket all the way through. You can't use that much elbow grease. Let's do it again. Gently. There we go. If you leave a screw in, that helps to give you some leverage for pushing in the little rubber gasket there. Now that I have the rubber gaskets, it's time to put in the screws and the mounting hardware. Now the mounting hardware has a little piece in here and the screw fits through that. You can use the Allen key that they provide you, or you can just put it on a screwdriver. So you're going to put the little rubberized side down here, and you're going to put the smooth edge at the back, because these little grooves is where the fastener on the toilet seat fits. Don't put it too tight at first, because you want to make sure you get both sides in and evenly installed. So now I have my second mounting bracket and screw. We're not going to snug these up completely because we're going to make sure that the bracket on the toilet seat fits over top of the hardware. So right here, you have these grooves here and here that are going to fit onto the mounting hardware. So we're just going to put it on, slide them in place. So it is well lined up. So what I'm going to do is just tighten everything up nicely like that. And like that. And we are good. Now all we have to do is snap the cover on, and the toilet seat is securely installed. You can open it up, you can move it around, but it's not coming off. The toilet seat is installed. And now to demonstrate slow close. So most people just slam it closed, and even if I give it a good push, it doesn't slam closed. It slowly lowers itself for a nice, silent finish. No more slamming toilet seats. Quiet close, and sturdy enough to sit on. There you have it, folks. If you are looking for a really great toilet seat, one that is easy to install, one that is easy to remove, like this, all you have to do is lift the latches and slide it off for easy removal. Super easy cleaning, and then slide it back on just like that. Snap the lids, and it's ready to go. To top it all off, it is a slow closer and no more annoying slamming toilet seats. This one here, the American Standard elongated slow close toilet seat, is definitely a family favorite at our house.